Hello everyone, this is Nagendra here. I hope you guys are fine there, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a responsive text using HTML and CSS. Okay guys, let's start. Doc type HTML. First of all, save your file. I'm going to save in this responsive folder. I'm going to save it as responsive.html. Responsive text. Okay guys, meta name equals to viewport, content equals to width is device width initial scale is 1. Responsive text. Let's take some lorem ipsum text. Okay, I'm going to take this text, Control C and Control V. Okay, let's start styling this. So font size is 7, viewport width, text align is center, font size is 7, viewport width, text align is center. Control is save your file. Let's run and check now. Okay, see guys, we have created an responsive text. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.